Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the problem when your Microsoft Store is not downloading apps properly. And before we head into the steps, make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to get the new videos. First, you should make sure that your internet is working properly and you have a good internet connection. And to see this, let's head to speed test and see the speed of our internet. And now as you can see, I have good internet. And the second thing to do, if you have a Wi-Fi connection, you should restart your modem in order to clear any connection issues and make sure that your Wi-Fi or Ethernet is working properly. Secondly, we're going to adjust the time and date. Sometimes when the time and date is not well adjusted and not correct, this will make Microsoft Store doesn't run properly. And to fix this issue, we can right click on date and time, adjust date and time, then choose this option right here, or you can even change it manually if you want. Sometimes the Microsoft Store cache can be corrupted and this will lead to download issues. So to fix this, you have to go to the search, then type run, then type wsreset.exe, then click on OK. Now we have restarted the cache and now it's done. This will reset the Microsoft Store cache. You should also check the disk space on your computer because low disk space may also affect the downloading programs. And to fix this issue, you can go to the settings, then head to system, storage, and here you can find a lot of categories. And when you download an app, you should make sure that this app has enough space to be downloaded. Sometimes third-party antivirus can interfere with downloading apps, so make sure to disable it temporarily until you finish downloading the apps. Then reopen the antivirus app from the Microsoft Store. If you still have the same problem, you can reset your Microsoft Store. And this can be done by heading to the settings, then click on apps, apps and features, and you can go down till you find Microsoft Store. Then click on it and choose advanced options, go down and click on reset. And you should make sure that you are not using any VPN while downloading the apps. You can temporarily disable it till you finish downloading. Now I have shown you the best steps to fix the problem. I hope it was useful to you. Thank you for watching and see you soon.